Why content marketing? It makes you fish. Focus, inspire, share, and hook. Fish. Focus. Content marketing makes you focus on your audience. First part, fishing, right? Fish. Content marketing lets you talk directly to your audience's pains, hurts, wants, needs, desires. Directly. You talk directly to them. A direct link, right? No need to worry about end user problems. Doesn't matter if you're a manufacturer or not, you talk directly to the people who are going to use your products. You speak directly to their needs. You speak directly to their wants, their desires, their pains, what keeps them up at night. What they think about when they wake up in the morning, when they're driving to work and coming home. You talk to that directly. Gives you an advantage. Content marketing helps you build trust and loyalty. And it inspires people to go try something new. Here I am, no rod and reel. I'm just handline fishing. Maybe I'll catch something, maybe I won't. But it catches people's attention because it's different. They can get inspired and to try something new. That gives your brand also an advantage. I think we got one. I think I messed around, let some slack get into this line. 108 feet of line behind the boat. We got some color. Oh my gosh, we got a drum. Keep that drum for bait. Talk about fresh cut bait. Share your expertise, share your knowledge, share your wisdom, share your experiences, share your journeys, share your stories. Share. Sometimes you just don't want to know what happened. I don't want to know what happened to that boathouse. Of course, lastly is hook, right? Hook. You gotta hook new customers. That's kind of the whole point. Hook new customers. Hook new customers. And when you've focused on your audience and their pains and their needs, you've inspired them to try something new, and you shared your expertise and your knowledge and your wisdom and your adventures and experiences, that leads to you hooking customers. How do you hook them? Simple call to action. I got these new jigs, man. Check them out. They're over on the website. Oh, they're over on the eBay page. You can get them over there. See, that kind of thing. For those of you who are new to this channel, Real Content Solutions, where we focus on companies, marketing directors, creative directors, even entrepreneurs who are in the sport fishing and outdoors niche, but haven't quite embrace the content marketing thing. My goal is to help you out. So, subscribe. I guess everybody says hit the bell icon so you can get more. You know the deal. I want to produce 2 to 3 videos a week here. And go from there. If you want to see some of my work, check out blackwarriorlures.com, which is my fishing tackle business that I run, just me, you know. And you see how I've approached this content marketing thing over time. So, this is the official video for the new channel, and I will see you on the next one.